Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, February 2nd, 2020. I've just received news that another friend of mine has passed away. I'm not sure the exact cause of her passing, but I know it's either related to heart health and circulation or diabetes. So, let's just talk about this channel I have. Clearly, I'm not a skinny person. Maybe I will be someday. I'm not right now. But we can still all make changes to how we eat, how we approach life. What I lived on for years, trying to get skinny, which clearly didn't work, were meals like this. These healthy frozen dinners. Man, this healthy frozen dinner packs 500 milligrams of sodium in a frozen meal. So why do you need preservatives and salt in that? No reason for that. It has 75 milligrams of cholesterol. So these things here, they're not healthy. The recipes I put out that I'll be cooking for you all aren't necessarily health food, but they are healthier meals, and they're a lot healthier than that frozen stuff you get in the grocery store. So, I'm not a professional chef by any means. If I can cook, you can cook. That's it for today. I'm just going to sit here for a moment and think about my friend Dee, who just passed. And then I'll get back in the kitchen and start showing you folks some new, healthy, tasty, easy meals you can create. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Or see y'all again later. Or whatever. Bye, everybody.